Hey everyone! If you dream of a perfect family getaway in a tropical paradise, this review is for you. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the 5-star Swissôtel Sanya Yalong Bay, located on the beautiful island of Hainan, China. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. There's plenty more to come. Swissôtel Sanya Yalong Bay is a great choice for families with kids of all ages, especially if you don't mind being on the second row from the beach. It's also a solid option for active travelers who plan to explore during the day and return to a comfortable hotel in the evening, even though it's a bit away from the city center. The hotel is about 37 kilometers from Sanya Phoenix Airport in the Yalong Bay area, situated on the second line from the shore. A taxi ride to downtown Sanya takes around 30 minutes. The Swissôtel shares its territory with the Grand Mercure Sanya Yalong Bay, giving guests access to shared facilities. Right outside the hotel, you'll find the popular Yalong Bay Central Totem Pole area, packed with restaurants, shops, food courts, and even an amusement park. The hotel's territory is spacious and well-maintained, with a pond and scenic walkways inspired by ancient Chinese architecture. The area is divided into 3 main sections: the central area with a large swimming pool, restaurant, and public spaces, the family-friendly zone with a heated pool, playgrounds, and access to the spa, and the Grand Mercure section with another pool, surrounded by guest buildings. These areas are connected by charming covered walkways with lanterns, adding a traditional touch to the surroundings. Just outside the hotel, you'll find a large matryoshka supermarket, stocked with Russian products from chocolate to pickles. Between the 2 hotel zones, there's a lovely landscaped area with a pond, bridges, and scenic paths. The gym is located on the ground floor of the second building, offering panoramic windows with a view of the pool. Dining at the hotel is available in 2 options: breakfast only and half board. Breakfast is served buffet style in one of the restaurants, primarily featuring Chinese cuisine with a somewhat limited selection of dishes. However, most guests agree that the food quality is disappointing both in taste and presentation. We won't argue with that. Luckily, the Yalong Bay Central Totem Pole area just outside the hotel offers plenty of dining options with a variety of cuisines to suit any preference. The hotel has 3 outdoor pools. The main pool is large and stylish, complete with a swim-up bar. Some ground floor rooms have direct access to lagoon pools with jacuzzi-like jets. The family-friendly pool is heated and features a jacuzzi and a sandy play area. Some ground floor rooms here also have direct pool access. Meanwhile, the Grand Mercure pool is the quietest, surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The public beach is just a 6-minute walk from the hotel. It boasts a wide shoreline with soft, light grey sand. Hotel guests have access to wooden sun lounges under straw umbrellas. Along the coast, you'll find a variety of cafes, markets, and designated swimming areas, as well as water activities like jet skiing and flyboarding. For kids, the hotel has a large and well-equipped kids club, located 1 floor above the lobby. It features trampolines, a 2-story play maze, slides, and a massive ball pit. There's also a separate creative play area. Little ones can enjoy a shallow pool with slides on a dedicated playground. Right next to the family pool, there's another outdoor play area. Just outside the hotel, you'll find a large amusement park, and the beachfront offers plenty of paid activities. The Swiss Deluxe King twin rooms are spacious, with wooden flooring and slightly outdated interiors. Each room features a large bed, a sofa, a work desk, and a balcony with comfy seating and a wooden table. The bathroom includes both a bathtub and a shower. Amenities like a safe, tea set, bathrobes, slippers, a beach bag, and sandals are provided. The minibar is empty, but European-style power outlets and USB ports are available. Now, let's talk about some downsides. The hotel is not new, and the rooms could use a renovation. Internet speeds are slow, including mobile coverage in the area. Rooms facing the shopping street can be noisy until around 11 p.m., as nearby establishments stay open late. The food quality is disappointing, so we highly recommend dining outside the hotel. The staff doesn't speak English, but they do use translation apps to communicate with guests. On the bright side, the hotel has a beautiful and well-maintained territory, with stunning views of the pond and pool complex, unique Chinese-inspired architecture, and a variety of pools for both families and those seeking a quiet retreat. The Kids Club is excellent, with plenty of fun activities, and the hotel's designated beach area offers comfortable sun lounges and a gentle entry into the water. Plus, the proximity to Yalong Bay's central totem pole means you're just steps away from great restaurants, shops, and an amusement park. If you're looking for a family-friendly resort, can overlook a few floors, and appreciate a beautiful setting with easy access to entertainment, Swissôtel Sanya Yalong Bay might be a great choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next review.